Hey guys, Coach Lentz here with another at-home PE. Today we're going to practice underhand rolling. This is a skill that you would see in a few different areas of sports. One of them is bowling. Another one's cricket, which is a game that they play a lot in Europe and India and New Zealand. But we're going to focus on bowling today. Maybe you've been to a bowling alley before and had some practice at this, but let's talk about this. I'll show you in a second, a mini bowling set. You don't need one of these to do this. You could use maybe some empty water balls and a basketball. Maybe do this in your garage or maybe down a hallway if you have like a Nerf ball. But try to find 6 items that are okay to knock over. And if you're going to use a water bottle, don't have it filled up with water because it's too heavy. Okay, I'm going to back up here, kind of talk you through this. When we're bowling, all right, it's important to know which hand is our dominant hand. For me, this is my right hand. It might look like your left hand to you guys, but this is my right hand. So I'm going to hold the ball in my right hand. I step with my left foot. So if you can see my legs right now, my left foot is this foot on this side. I step with my left foot, okay? So as I'm stepping with my left foot, my right arm's going backwards with the ball, it's right there, and I'm going to roll it on the ground, okay? When you're rolling this, when you let go, kind of let it roll off your fingers, kind of push it along with your fingers as you roll it, okay? So let me show you what I have set up here so you guys can see this. Perfect, okay. This is my mini bowling set here, okay? So what I envision you guys practicing is setting something up like this in a hallway, okay? And again, it could be bottles of water. Maybe I have this little bottle of lotion. Maybe it is a cone, something that it's safe to knock over. You can even use a sock ball. I taught you how to do that yesterday in our video. Nerf ball, maybe a basketball. Be careful and ask your parents if it's okay if you use a basketball in the house. Anyway, the object here, when we're bowling, you get 2 tosses to knock down all of the pins, okay? After that, we put all the pins back up. I want you to play 5 rounds, which means you get 10 throws. So I'm going to play a round and show you what this looks like, all right? Now, I'm not going to actually be rolling it with my opposite foot. I am going to use my right hand, though. This is just my desk in my office, okay? So let me get a little backstop set up so my ball does not roll off my desk. Perfect. All right, here we go. Awesome. Okay, so you go down, get your ball, move it out of the way, and the pins that you knocked over, move those out of the way as well. So in round 1, in every round, you get 2 throws. So my round's not done yet. I have 3 pesky bowling pins left. Here we go. Look at that. So if you total those up, if you're counting and keeping track, I just knocked over 6 pins in my first round. So now I'm going to set this back up for round 2. We're playing 5 rounds. We're going to see what our total score is. I'm going to pause this and I will let you know what I get. Okay, I'm going to pause our video and I'll report back to you. All right, so after my 5th round, and I kept track of how many pins I knocked over a total of 22 pins in our underhand rolling or bowling activity today. Again, try to find 6 items that you can set up and knock over. My record is 22, 5 rounds, 2 throws each round for a total of 10 throws. And make sure you move your pins out of the way, the ones that fall in between rounds, move those out of the way, and then roll for your second roll, and then reset it each round like so. So you're going to have 3 pins in the back, 2 in the middle, and 1 in the front, okay? Now, obviously, I did this on my desk at work, so you guys challenge yourselves. I was probably this far away from my bowling pins. It was pretty easy. If you want to make this more of a challenge, you could maybe take 10 steps away from your first bowling pin and throw from there, or 15 steps. So the further away you are, the more difficult it is to knock over these pins. So good luck. Try to beat my score of 22 and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.